Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm back again with a very interesting topic, the top 5 highest paid or highly in demand jobs in IT categories. Before I start with the video, I wish you and your family a warm happy new year. So when I say the top 5 highest paying jobs or high in demand jobs in the IT categories, so this data is totally based on the data that we actually got from different recruitment websites or popular career websites such as LinkedIn and Glassdoor and similar such websites, and also following the trail of the past year, that is 2021. So the researches are published in different career websites and based on the current researches that are being made by the top career and job related websites or portals. And before I get started, if you are already subscribed to my channel, thank you for watching my video and motivating me. But if you are new to my channel, my name is Momita Biswas. I am a Salesforce consultant based in Vancouver, Canada, and I have spent a considerable amount of time staying and working in US, India and Canada as well. So all the informations I will be sharing today is based on my own personal experience and also depending on the market researches. So without further delay, let's get started. So the first category of job is cloud engineer or a cloud architect. So you all might be aware of these two IT jobs that are highly in discussion nowadays, cloud engineer and cloud architect. But because of the recent pandemic that we are going through, most of the companies, either they have already shifted to their workload to cloud, or they are actually planning in the near future. So the cloud architect engineers are highly in demand in today's world. The top 3 cloud providers are AWS, Google Cloud and Microsoft Azure. The average salary of cloud architect are 125k. It ranges between 125k to 175k, and for a cloud engineer the range is on an average the range is about between 105k to 155k, and this all depends on the experience and certifications. The AWS certified solutions architect and GCP architect, etc. And this actually varies and depends on various things and based on the certifications that you might be having. The second in line is the Salesforce CRM professionals. So you all are aware of the Salesforce CRM developers, architects, and there are various levels of Salesforce CRM jobs nowadays in demand and in discussion in the recent job market. The CRM market has been dominated by Salesforce CRM for a long time. Most of the top enterprises have switched to Salesforce CRM Cloud from their traditional CRM products. Companies operating in almost all domains like banking and financial, insurance, healthcare or telecom are recruiting Salesforce professionals in a very massive level. Average salary for any Salesforce professional ranges between 105k to 180k per year. And Salesforce architects can earn even more, and on an average of 185k and above. So there is no limit for that. The job roles are you have seen different job roles related to Salesforce CRM. The major ones are Salesforce systems analysts, business analysts, Salesforce developers, marketing cloud analyst, and the highly in demand recently has been the Tableau CRM, or previously known as Einstein Analytics. The third most highly in demand job in the field of IT is the Kubernetes engineer. So today, Kubernetes has become a de facto standard for microservice development. Companies are either using on-premise hosted Kubernetes platform like OpenShift, or using managed Kubernetes services like EKS or JKE or DigitalOcean for running their products on microservices. Generally speaking, one has to have CKA, or what we call Certified Kubernetes Administrator, or CKAD, that is Certified Kubernetes Application Developer certifications, to get the highest salaries. On an average, the salary range of a Kubernetes engineer is somewhere between 125K to 185K, and that totally depends on your experience and the certifications that you have. The fourth highly salaried IT job, DevOps or SRE. So DevOps professionals are always in demand because they take care of the operational side of the software development. They build and maintain the development pipeline, automation, and performance of the products. So on an average, the salary range for a DevOps or an SRE is somewhere between 105K to 175K. Besides regular DevOps or SRE experience, one can have AWS or Azure certificates or CKAD to become socialist in that areas and increase the salary by 35 to 55%. This is a very important point that you should make a note of if you are planning or if you are into DevOps or SRE. And all the salary ranges I'm discussing about are in US dollars and Canadian dollars. Now in the number 5, we have data science or data analytics. Today, the demand of data scientists and machine learning professionals have grown a lot. They use complex mathematical models to solve business issues and problems. So it is better to have masters in data science or a PhD to get the desired salary. But on an average, the salary range is somewhere between 135K to 205K. All is in US dollars and Canadian dollars. And this is also based on the experiences you might be having and the level of education that you might be having. And by level of education, I mean if you have a master's versus if you have a PhD. So it highly depends on that one. So you can always negotiate on your salaries based on the degrees you might be having. But this is a very blooming career in IT industry nowadays, data analytics and data science. So now that you have the list of 5 highly paid IT jobs in the year of 2022 that we are actually forecasting, and that has actually, this has been carrying the trail since the past year 2021, and it will be following this year too as per the data and researchers. But and as you can see, the most of the highest paying jobs here are mostly in the field of technology. But besides that, we have seen that there are other fields as well that are not directly to the technical end but still related to the IT field. So besides these 5 core technical fields, there is one more job category that is blooming nowadays. It is the technical project manager. So you still need to have a little bit of technical knowledge on whichever field you want to pursue, but this is definitely another demanding job of 2022 as we are seeing the trend. And it also falls under the top and highest paid categories of IT job. The average salary of a technical project manager ranges somewhere between 95K to somewhere between 135K, and this highly depends on the experiences, the years of experiences that one have, and also the certification. Certification is very much necessary for having a career as a technical project manager, and the most popular certifications in this particular field of IT field is the SAF EPMP, PMI, ACP, and Scrum. So I hope you liked today's video and today's content, and this would definitely add a value in your decision making as you are planning to migrate to USA or Canada this year or in the future year as a fresh graduate, or you are actually planning for your graduation or turning your career into the IT field. I hope this would be really helpful for you all, and thanks for watching my video. I will be back again soon with a very interesting topic. Please stay tuned with me. Please share, comment, subscribe, and please let me know if you have any other questions in your mind that you might be looking for, or if you want me to create a video on that content, please do comment me in this video. And thanks, and I'll see you back again very soon.